won't let y'all, bet y'all reign supreme. Smoke a pound to the beats with the Kazaa C. The alphabet's in me, from the A to the Z. Loaded G-U-N if you're feeling me. The IC couldn't fuck with me, cause I'm the Razza D. And I'll shoot them motherfuckers in the head. Bloodshed is the color of the red. Bloodshed like Kurt Cobain's head. Shut your mouth and keep it watching motherfucking TV. The CD and these beats are ready for me. This verse is the worst, and lose your teeth. Fuck with me, strip your feet off your street, and then we'll be spicking the meat. Streets, defeat B, defeat me, I'll defeat you. And grab 20 motherfucking kids and reload, do. Boom, boo, boo, that's a sound. Pack heat because I know you're gonna be on the ground where the mouth bleed. So Sean, you're a dirty prawn, and he farts and he yawns and he's in a room like a caveman, living in a caveman's home. I know that you're feeling my flow. If you don't, well, you're gonna choke with rope around your throat from my titan flow. My flow's like an anaconda to a crow with a hurricane blow. I've got the illest killer style, and I'm laughing, I don't smile. You know, I sound like a cat when I meow meow meow. I like a dog when I bark, when we bow wow wow. I bust my rhyme, you're thinking how, because I've got a dope pal and I slap you around. When I rest in peace, I'll be 6 feet deep. My styles bow down to me and don't let me defeat, cause you'll be feeling ow, because the painful truth is Razza D styles while the D's in the house, man. So just shut your fucking mouth, shut your fucking mouth right now. I'm smoking a pound of shells at your fucking house. Then you'll realize it's no good, fucking Razza spouse. Your mother's on the ground and they're behind the couch, and then there'll be 1,000 holes in your motherfucking head, and the mouse in the corner is gonna be dead, and the cheese in his bread are gonna be dead. And when you put your hand on your head and your mouth, you'll be realizing it's no good fucking with Razza's spouse. I'm a cat, you're a mouse, I'm a water rat and you're a trout that's swimming away because I got you in your fucking mouth, you're hooked. Zap, give me some rum, I'll hook it in your mum, bomb, I'll root your mum off the bum. I've got your little son, you'll be receiving a call. You're like this little punk still breathing at all. Fuck the world, I can turn the entire world against Isaac and Joel, and this is how I get even at y'all. Fuck the world, this is the way that the D does the skis, and the skis down the mountain like the alpha P's, and the B's to the B's, it's the alphabetic phonetic alphabet, chewing up your arm like a dog. Cause fuck with the D, get your arm chewed off like you was teasing a dog. You look like you're teasing me, well fuck God, I stole his job, and I broke his guard using a tongue long nod. Not Ike, more like a tongue long hit, fist, more like a gunshot, play more clack, a swift kick, snap back, crack. I need a snack to put your head on a rack, so shut your trap, cause Razza D's back to attack with the rap, gangsta raps, admit it, I'm whack, and put your feet to the zap, and that beat's going with zap. I'm running at the mall with a dead grandmother's porch to disguise it on your porch, and when you wake up in the morning, I'll be driving past in a porch and shooting up your Ford with a loaded M4. Boom, boom, it's a chainsaw. 4 doors are gonna be cut into 4. You're gonna be on the floor, cause you're poor and I'm rich. You're a sucker and a bitch. I'm cutting off your mum's clit and dislocating her hip. Hop, clip, shot, I won't stop. I robbed your dad's shop and stole all his pot. There's a rope around your neck and I'm tying a knot. Walking around with a pound, I'm smoking you down. It's Razza baby walking around the town down. Crown, you're gonna be crowning me, cause I'm the crown, I'm the king. You're a little peasant bee, you're the big dick. I'm the little schlang ding, wing ding, with the gun in my hing. And the ding bing ching, that's a Chinese rap. And then you're the yo Cass, bet the gap, get the gap where they're showing where it's at, Cass. Me and Cass snap, we don't leave trails. With the rat-tat-tat from the gat, shut your trap. When I crack your back, you're gonna be fighting back like not, more like you be on the rap. That's a rap. You're gonna shit on me, I'll shit on you too with a big old crap. With the Zaphagalax, and we'll slap you around like a little bitch-ass whack that you are. Rap cast in a rap plastic, demon marine, I'll smack him with a BD. ABCs, frantic blame, slain, I'm cracking you like a B-Wayne. Automatic gats are gonna be firing from the other way. The left side, the right side, the other side, I'm wise and you're not. So in other words, I'll snap, crack you smack with your back to back, and with that, we're gonna be like a fucking Mac 10 blasting back and shut your trap. Unless you wanna rap against me, using all types of rat-tat-tat. No matter what, I always prevail, because I'm the man, I've got the illest killer's flow, and I'm taking control. When I slit your throat, I'll leave a suicide note, then escape in a boat, and tie your neck with rope, and then there'll be little Joe, that's little Mo Joe. I'm a wizard, he's a mole, I'm the king lizard, he's a dirty crow, that's about to get smoked, like a cat's clamor up a cone. He's about to get bold, like a Murphy Road. He's about to get stoned, like the Pantera video. When we go to crush your skull, like Philip and 70-O, we're gonna be rolling down the hill and making him listen to cowboys from hell. And then the heavy metal's gonna be in his veins. Oh hell, that's where he's going. And then you'll be tying his head to the headphones, like the Eminem shows. And then the box him like a Rocky videos. That's a left-right combination from the blows. You see, I'm quick and he's slow. He's a sucker and a fool. I'm the Sony PlayStation controller, and I'll torture you slower than your mother and the Japanese role in World War II. When my dad was there, and my dad's granddad was there shooting bears and pairs to live. And then Ben, and then this dude Ben shot him in the back leg, so he boom went, motherfuck you too. Shot him in the leg, gave 2 to his bitch too. And then you're gonna shoot me? Oh no, why? Why? Because I've been through the crook style, and my style is wilder than your wild bitch. And your bitch is tighter than my fucking lick. Dick, I'll root your bitch in the fucking dick clit. And when I root her, she's gonna be tighter than your mom's bitch. Your mom's a sick, old motherfucking hoe. And I'm the man to take control of the flow. Cause it's Razza D and he's on the mic. And if you're ready to fight, you better be ready to style a fight with a rapid wild bang bang, rapid dab to bad. Ching Sai Wu, man, that's a way in the band. What does that mean? It's mean Edward is my brother and Wesley, and they're gonna be fighting each other because they're going to jail. They just got caught for smoking. They also got caught for speeding by the coppers. Wow, 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 that's the siren I said. Wow, 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 they're gonna caught in the dead. They'll be raped at the bomb by the dude in the jail cell. Man, I'll sell your whole pound, and you won't even know I'm walking around town with my gat in my hand and my leg broken because it's ow ow, because I kicked your head and I'm smoking and choking and doking and broken a motherfucker dope boat. You wanna smoke me? I'll smoke you and your whole crew in one hit from the old boat you, and I'm an OG. You're a young G, so stay away from me because you're only 13 and you're like the same age as Zaf and the motherfucking dickhead Christian. He can suck a cock. This is a fucking wanker, and I'll say to him, and any day I'll fucking rip his dick a barbecue deal while I'm smacking and rapping back and taking my skill. I got the ultimate deals, I got the ultimate skills, and that motherfucker doesn't even deserve to be the manager wheel. And then there's that old faggot that just got the job. Man, I threw him off the top shelf on the lard. I smoke him, I broke him, right to the dough. Everybody's gonna get dough, 24/8 dough, 24/7 is the go. It's rapping on the style and it's way too slow. You're slow, I'm quick to dump it quick in the mud. And then there's Tupac and Eminem on the side of me. 50's on me, the beat's on me. I'm the man to see. If you want some drugs, don't see me, see Tony Dog. Don't see me, see Laytone Dog. Don't see me, see Zap. I don't give a fuck, I'll hit you in the back. So shut your trap, cause Raz is back with the next attack. From the Zap and Galaxia Spectacular is the man to see, B. So later, G.